Hi there, I'm Celeste. Whether it's morning, afternoon, or evening where you are, it's great to see you again. I'm excited to share with you a new stitch or project I will make. But before I proceed, if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and check out my Facebook page, Celeste Gomez, for more ideas. For this stitch, we'll be using half double crochet and slip stitch only. Along with two double-sided pattern, you'll need a size 5mm hook and size 3 yarn. In this tutorial, I'm using a Lion brand named Ice Cream with the color of Blue Moon, 100% acrylic, and machine washable. Alright, so let's start with a slip knot. Then chain counting and add numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. On this sample, I chain 111. But you can chain as much as you want or at your desired length. Once you have your chains, let's start our pattern. But we need to work on the back loop only to the last stitch of this row. So begin, insert your hook on the first loop, on the back loop, and make a half double crochet. Then on the next stitch, make a slip stitch. Then half double crochet on the next stitch, followed by the slip stitch on the next chain. Half double crochet, slip stitch, half double crochet, slip stitch, then half double crochet on the next chain, slip stitch, and continue all the way to the last row of your stitch using the back loop only, which is right here. And this is how it looks like. I was on the previous 3 stitches right here. So slip stitch, half double crochet, and the last one, slip stitch. If we start with a half double crochet, we end up on the slip stitch on the previous chain. Now let's go to the next row. Make a chain of 1, turn your work, then start with half double crochet on the very first chain, followed by the slip stitch on the next chain, but this time we will work on the 2 loops of the main right on top. Then half double crochet on the next stitch, then a slip stitch on the next chain, half double crochet on the next stitch, a slip stitch on the next chain, half double crochet again, slip stitch again, half double crochet, a slip stitch, and repeat this pattern to the last stitch of your row. As we continue, the pattern is slowly showing up. Again, I'm on the last 3 stitches here. Make a slip stitch, half double crochet on the next stitch, and last one, slip stitch. Make sure you insert on those 2 loops. And now we complete the second row of our project. Chain 1 again. Turn your work one more time. Start with a half double crochet on the first chain. Then a slip stitch on the next chain. Half double crochet, a slip stitch, half double crochet, a slip stitch, half double crochet, a slip stitch on the next chain, half double crochet, a slip stitch, half double crochet, a slip stitch, half double crochet, and continue all the way to the last stitch. Now you can see the pattern on the front and back sides of your work. Now just repeat the pattern. Go ahead and pause the video and continue until you get to the correct width or length of your work. This one row repeat pattern is suitable for blankets and shawls to make. Once you are done with your project, you will have a created fantastic stitch that easy to manage. And remember, this is only a 1 row repeat pattern. So make sure you start with half double crochet and you're gonna end with a slip stitch on the last stitch of your row. So once again, pause it, continue your work until you get to your desired width or length of your project. So if you like this tutorial, Please share it with your family and friends willing to learn new ideas. Thank you for watching, my friends. Have a wonderful day and see you on my next video. Bye.